Welcome to AutoCAD 2025. In this video, we'll introduce the new features and enhancements in this release. Let's dive in. Activity Insights now logs more activity types and displays more detailed information about these activities to improve collaboration. One of these new activity types is version activity, which replaces DWG history. Let's see this in action. When a file is saved on a supported cloud storage provider, a new file version appears as a version activity on the Activity Insights palette. Click Compare within the version activity to view the differences between the current and previous version. The new Activity Properties panel provides further information about these changes. Click Exit Compare to end the comparison and close the DWG Compare toolbar. Activity Insights also logs purged activities in AutoCAD. Here, the Activity Properties panel shows how many total items have been purged, as well as how many of those purged items were blocks, dimension styles, layers, multi-leader styles, or text styles. Additionally, you can view activities to your drawing without opening the file. From the Start tab, click the vertical ellipsis and choose View Activity Insights. Building on the improvements we made to Markup Import and Markup Assist in previous releases, PDF markup files now sync from Autodesk Docs to AutoCAD, making it easier for drafters and reviewers to collaborate. When you sync a PDF file that contains markups, collaborators can view those markups directly in AutoCAD in the Trace workspace. Once the PDF markup file is synced with a drawing, any updates to the markup file made by a reviewer in Autodesk Docs will be visible to the drafter in AutoCAD. Now you can convert multiple instances of repeated geometry into blocks. I'll convert this office chair into a block using the new bconvert command. I'll select this office chair for conversion and press Enter. Notice all instances of the same geometry are highlighted. In the Convert dialog box, I can choose to replace these instances with an existing block or convert them into a new block. I'll select New Block, give the new block a name, and click Convert. All of the highlighted geometry has been converted to blocks. This Smart Block solution provides a more efficient way to organize your drawings. We'd like to introduce a new technology preview called Object Detection. This feature can analyze drawing geometry for objects that can be converted into blocks. This can be useful when importing a PDF. When a PDF is imported, the geometry used to create the objects often consists of lines, arcs, circles, and text. Working with individual objects is often not an efficient way to edit a drawing. I'll use Detect to identify objects such as doors, sinks, and other fixtures that can be converted from individual objects into blocks. With the objects detected, I'll use the arrows in the detection toolbar to move from one set of objects to the next. I'll click the box around the primary object and select Convert. In the Convert dialog box, I'll convert this detected door made up of lines and arcs to a new block called Door. All the detected objects in the set have been converted to a new block. Object Detection is a technology preview with enhancements and functionality planned for future releases. To report an issue, click the flag icon in the detection toolbar. Hatches can now be drawn without pre-existing boundary geometry. Create a filled shape using the rectangle or circle draw options, or hatch along a path using the polyline option. In this demo, I'll draw a rectangular hatch over this area of the drawing. We added Esri maps to geographic location. In addition to Bing Maps, You can now choose from 5 new Esri map options to add geographic location information to a drawing. The Graphics Performance dialog box includes a new Diagnosis tab, which shows you the status of your graphics card configuration. By checking this Diagnosis tab, it's easier than ever to pinpoint whether you need to enable hardware acceleration, update your graphics card driver, or upgrade your graphics card. See the product help for a complete list of new commands and system variables related to the new features.